Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Notarize for remote notarization in real estate step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Notarize website. Look for the option to create an account. Fill out the required information to register for an account. Verify your email address by checking your inbox for a confirmation email. Log into your newly created account on the Notarize platform. Select the option for remote notarization services. Upload the documents that need to be notarized directly onto the platform. Choose a notary from the list of available professionals. Schedule a session with the selected notary for a time that works for you. Once your appointment is confirmed, prepare for the meeting. Ensure you have valid identification ready to present during the session. Log into your account a few minutes before the scheduled appointment. Join the video call with your notary when it begins. Follow any instructions provided by the notary during the call. Present your identification for verification purposes. Discuss the documents that need notarization with the notary. Adhere to any specific requirements the notary may mention. Once the notary has completed their review, they will proceed to notarize your document. You will receive a copy of the notarized documents via email. Finally, ensure you save these documents for your records. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.